Start with clarity, not chaos. Pick a niche you actually care about, then zoom in. Don't just do fitness, do busy dads who want to get lean in 20 minutes a day. Don't just do tech, do budget gadgets that feel premium. Specific wins. Now grab a piece of paper and brainstorm 50 video ideas. Yes, 50. Then do something important. Highlight the ones you would still click on even if you were 50% less interested in the topic. If it wouldn't hook a mildly curious viewer, it won't hook strangers. Next, check which of those ideas already exist on YouTube. That's a good sign. It means there's demand. Those are your starting videos. Now write the script. Obsess over the hook. The first 5 to 15 seconds decide everything. Make a promise, create curiosity, show what's at stake, and throughout the video, focus on the key points your audience actually cares about. The stuff you'd put on screen as bold text. Most importantly, be 10 times more yourself. Energy greater than perfection. Personality greater than polish. Then record. Camera, mic, 3 solid takes. Done. Open your editing software and match the editing style to your niche. Fast, flashy cuts might work for gaming, but not for a calm finance channel. Cinematic might work for storytelling, but not for meme commentary. Edit with intention. When you're done, watch the video twice, then stop. Go to sleep. The next day, with a clear mind, brainstorm titles. Look at other niches for inspiration if needed. Combine ideas, twist angles. Your title must promise something meaningful that the video actually delivers. Same rule for thumbnails. Simple, bold, curiosity-driven. Don't copy, don't clutter. Upload. Repeat once or twice a week. And here's a growth hack most people ignore. Whenever a video about storytelling, editing, script writing, or YouTube strategy shows up on your homepage, click it. Watch it. Train the algorithm to feed you value instead of noise. Lastly, grab the free resource in the description so you don't waste time figuring this out alone. And subscribe, because consistency builds channels, but strategy builds growth.